Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Daisy. Today we have some hair from Ishow hair, and they sent me some lashes along with a little stocking cap or little stocking net, shall I say. And this time I have a body wave lace wig. Haven't done one of those in a while, and I love body wave wigs. So let's get into it. And this wig looks so good out straight out the packaging. It comes pre-plucked. It doesn't have a large parting space, but it has 13x4, so that's cool. If you're looking for a longer parting space, then you want to get 13x6, but this looks really natural. Just stay tuned and you'll see how I slay this. It comes a little bit pre-plucked, but I did a little bit more plucking to my liking. And I want to show you guys a close-up of that parting space, which you'll be getting through the net. So you know how I do. I show you the combs and all of that. We want to see how the hair looks straight out the packaging, because you want to get an idea really how the hair looks before someone styles it, you know. But here, after I bleached the knots, did some plucking and let it air dry, this is how the wig looks. So I want to give you guys an idea. Alright y'all, it's time to install this wig. I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glue in the yellow bottle and just place that along my hairline. You know how I do, especially if you're not new to my channel. Then I'm going to do the sides once I lay down the front first. And take the blow dryer on a cool settings for about 30 seconds. Then what I do is just lay down the frontal a little bit more with a scarf. That's gonna make sure that everything just looks melted, and then I do my makeup, so I'll be right back. All right, so I'm done with my makeup. Now it's time to do these baby hairs, okay? So we're gonna take this scarf off. And yes. So far, so good. This hair is laid, honey. Can't see no lace. I am breaking out though. That is what's getting on my nerves. Other than that, we're Gucci. I still got a little flat right there, but I'm gonna fix that once I'm done styling the hair. I'm gonna use my wax stick. This is a girl's best friend. This is gonna lay the wig completely flat. I'm just gonna do that a little bit before I start curling the hair, so I don't mess up the curls if I try to go back in and, you know, straighten it, but I'm gonna go back and forth between the hot comb and the curling wand. Because we want this part to be as flat as possible. I hate wigs that stick up in the front. It drives me crazy. Now I'm just gonna pull out a few little strands and do some baby hairs. Nothing too crazy. Glue to lay down the baby hairs. Yeah. So now it's time to just curl this hair. So stay tuned. Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I absolutely love this hair. So I'm gonna be wearing this wig for a little bit, so I definitely want to display it like to the max, okay? So I did bleach these knots, pluck it, all of that, the whole shebang. I just used a curling iron and just gave some nice beachy curly waves. This looks great for the summer. If you're not into all these inches, you can get shorter inches, but I believe I got either 22 or 24, but I'm gonna leave in the description box below. I wanna thank again Ishow Hair for sending me this hair. The shipping was super fast. It only took like 4 days for me to get it. You know, we like that. And everything just looks good. So if you guys are interested in an update or have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below. And thanks again, Ishow Hair, for sending me this hair. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. You know how we do. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.